Hello guys, so for today, we are going to be doing a bag raid Q&A and let's see what's inside their bag and their answer. So this is Ate Pauline. Say hi.
Hi guys.
And this is
Astrid.
my bestie. So I'm opening their bag. Let's see.
Okay, game.
Okay, game. Let's go guys with Astrid first. Let's check what it's inside her bag.
Okay, so actually hindi ko alam kung anong nasa loob nito. Titignan ko na lang. Okay, go.
Okay, so what's one thing that you can't live without the house?
Ano?
What's one thing you can't leave the house without?
My phone and a my phone. Cause one thing. The second thing is a power bank. Kahit wala kahit ano, yun lang. Okay lang yan. Okay, bag raid. May plema lang naman siya. Una, dahon. May dahon sa bag ko. Tama yan. Medyo, siya, durog na paminta. Tapos, may biogesic na bawas. May bato. May bato sa bag ko, guys. Medyo 21st century ko pa yan handa. Tapos meron namang...
Huwag mo na yan, sa mukha ko napupunta eh.
Tapos, ano to guys? Salamin! Then, parang natatakot ako dumukot dito. May palaka dito. Kaya, may Absity face powder.
Face powder.
And may Dior na paubos na lip gloss. My belt.
Bakit ganyan naman yung laman ng ano?
My necklace.
Okay, your necklace.
My perfume.
Siguro may bahay dyan.
A spoon. A chopstick na inuwi ko galing Raminage.
Nak, okay ka lang ba?
Tapos meron pang card ko. Yun lang. Tapos meron pang sasakyan sa ilalim nito.
Astrid po ay ready to eat sa kanyang bag. Dahil may shopping at
At ready to kill din.
ready siya mamato ng basher niya.
Subukan nyo lang talaga, babatuhin ko talaga kayo. Uy, ang convenient nito.
Grabe. So many.
May pagano?
Balik natin
Ay,
yan.
anak, balik natin. Okay.
Okay, next. Next po at Paul.
Okay, next. Me,
Okay.
myself, and I.
Okay.
So guys,
So,
what's in my bag?
So what's in your bag?
Okay.
How do you stay fresh all day ba?
How do I...
How do you stay fresh?
What's your secret?
English or Tagalog?
Pag-ibig daw, pag-ibig.
Japanese.
Okay, paano mo ako gusto sumagot? English or Tagalog? And
Spanish.
Spanish. Okay, let's proceed to the next question.
Okay, so what's something in your bag that you'd never use ba?
Na I never use na nandito sa bag ko. Let's see. Let's see. I don't know na eh. I don't know the answer eh. Let's see guys, what's in my bag. Oh, Ber. So first, 50 pesos.
Wow. 50 pesos.
100. Oh, inak! 50 and 100.
150.
And
Wow.
walang wallet.
Okay.
Walang wallet. And next, may bulaklak. Yung photo booth namin kanina.
Nak, ano to, nak?
And bulaklak. Siguro kasi may pagbibigyan ako mamaya. Diba? Tapos merong pansakit ng ulo. Because you know. Ano? Pangkulang. Meron tayong highlighter. Highlighter.
Wow.
Diba? Dahon. Same tayo, nak. May dahon din. Feel ko kasi hindi ko alam kung bakit may dahon sa bagay. Meron tayong pantinga. You know, this is
Nasan yung sa'yo?
pantinga. Where's your pantinga?
I think it's in my mother.
Oh, your mother.
Right.
Meron tayong curler. May kwintas. Hindi ko rin alam bakit. Meron tayo, guys, brush.
Okay.
Tapos blush. Tapos nail cutter. Siguro kasi gugupitin ko na yung kuko ni Astrid tapos ni DJ.
Ako din.
Ay, pudpud pala siya. And meron tayong, itong pinaka-special, guys. Cotton buds na second hand. Nagamit na. So, that's the, this is my secret to stay fresh all day. Cotton buds.
Cotton buds.
So,
Okay.
that's the answer of your question. And may 20 pesos. So, yun lang. How about yours?
Wala akong bag.
Wala siyang bag! Oh my gosh!
Bag. So, ready na ba tayo mag-Vikings?
So,
Ready na! Ready na ko!
pantinga.
So thank you guys for watching this bag raid, and make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching my bag raid, and please like and subscribe, Guy Astrid. My bad. So don't forget